Hello friends, Susmita here, and today's question is: enter password and print hello. This process will continue till you enter the correct password. So for this, I take a variable PAS, initialize it. Now start the loop. Pass is not equal to now input password. Now save the file and run the module. It prompts for password and I entered. It's again ask for password because correct password is not entered. When correct password is entered, it pings hello. So that's it for today's friends. Hope you understand the code, and if you have any questions or query, please write in comment box. See you in next video.